In this assembly video, we will put the frame together completely, and then in the next one, we will put the slide on top. We have all the different bits and pieces right here, and we will start first with the trigger. We will put it in the block right here. All right, first things first, we need to place this spring, which is right here, and it's gonna be sitting in there like so. Hopefully you can see it. There is a little hook that it should go into in order to do the tensioning. Then we will be putting it right there. All right, so we take this, we will prepare the pin, and we need to place it here and put the pin from the top so it actually also grabs the spring right there. Cool. Now we have it like so. The spring actually goes to the left, all the way to the left, where it can provide the tension. Oh, now it just jumped out. So we can just put it in. And now we need to get the trigger in there as well without everything jumping out. So we just place it in. We align the holes. And we just drive it through. Again, at the other side, holes aligned. Cool. And now we have it together. This important is that the spring actually provides the tension, so it should always just go back down. We lost this little spring, which goes right here, and then it hooks right there on the side. We have this one prepared. And now we can drop everything inside of the frame. Before we do so, I noticed that we don't have the magazine release button, so that's what we will do right now. We will put it in like this from this side. Just align it. And now we need to take the left wire. There are two. One is on the right, one is on the left. And we will pull it over the button. There is a groove for it. So I'm just gonna grab it with a flathead screwdriver, and I'm just gonna pull it over and push the whole thing down, just like that. We will test the function. Button works exactly as it should. Now we will go back to this part right here, and we will drop it in a little bit. And now this trigger box, we grab the whole thing. Be careful, don't lose the spring. And we hook it with the trigger bar, and now everything will just easily drop in, just like that. And now I lost the spring, which can happen, so we do that one more time. I'm gonna have to pull this out. Grab the spring with something and pull it over the pin. Just like that. All right, now the spring is captured. We have the thing in there. Everything is working as expected. All right, now we can secure everything in place with the trigger box screw. Or first, let me do the pin. That one is easier. So we take the smaller pin right here, and once it's in there, it will no longer jump out. So we can just, test the function, make sure that everything is working, everything is spring-loaded, trigger is returning, and so on. All right, now we are pretty safe. I'm just gonna get the correct bit. Put the screw back in place. This hop-up block goes here. Now I need a big Allen key for the big screw that fixes everything nice nice and tight. Right there. Firmly tighten it, but don't overdo it. It's not really needed. Now we have the other pin for the trigger. Serrations are in my hand, on my fingers. I'm just gonna place it through, just like that. Make sure that the holes are aligned, and I'm gonna tap it in place. That one is not going anywhere. All right, now we have the barrel and the rubber. Now I'm gonna take the hop-up rubber. I'm gonna find the bottom and the top. You will see that here on the top there is the diamond-shaped patch, and on the bottom there is a groove sticking out. The groove will go into this groove on the barrel, so exactly like this. And it will just snap in place. Notice that this one is on the right side of the barrel. Here is the top, left side, and bottom. So this is how it should look like. I'm gonna verify by looking inside, and if I press on it, you will see the hop-up patch just pop out. That's what we want. It should be nice and tight, and the groove should fit in place here. Everything should just fit and not really bulge out. Now we can take this piece right here, and we will put it from this side. Just gonna slide it over it, just like that. The rib is in its place. Here is the top of the bucking and the barrel. Everything looks good. And now we can take the barrel and slide it inside. Again, I'm gonna verify where the top of the bucking actually is. Before we do so, actually, lock the hammer back. It will make space for it. Check where the top is, and we just slide it in, just like that. Now we can take the barrel and screw it in. I'm gonna take this again and tighten it. You can also use pliers for this if you want, but make sure to cover them with something plasticky so you don't scratch your nice barrel. We have the barrel fixed in place, and now we will check that everything is aligned. Make sure that the barrel and the patch and this bucking space is all the way forward so it fits nicely with the cutout before you lock all these, if you screw them in. Make sure that everything is aligned. Now it should look like this, and if it does, we can proceed by locking all of the set screws. Don't over tighten them. It is not necessary to overdo it. In fact, if you really overdo it, you could potentially dent something, damage the threads. We don't want that, so just use 2 fingers, a little bit. Same for these that actually lock the outer barrel. Just like that. All right, that's it for this lower part. You will find the rest of the assembly with all the little bits and pieces from the slide in the next video.